Today, your guardian angels have a special message for you. Remarkably, you have impacted this person in ways they can't even describe, especially after your last encounter. The angels affirm that you possess a unique magnetism, capable of evoking such deep emotions that they defy any attempt at verbal explanation. Your presence left them utterly speechless, especially after the last moment you shared together. You have always been able to stir minds and make words evaporate. Their thoughts become confused and disordered in your presence, an effect they have unsuccessfully tried to control. The truth is that the force of the attraction they feel for you and the intensity of their feelings are too overwhelming to be contained. You possess this extraordinary ability to make them nervous and at the same time excited, dismantling any semblance of composure they try to maintain. In short, you make them feel things they cannot express with words, especially after the last time they saw you. In a particularly remarkable way, your last encounter left an indelible impression on them, intensifying their feelings in a way they can barely understand. That day, your presence was so overwhelming that it completely stole their ability to express themselves verbally. They found themselves unable to look away, captivated by the magnetism of your aura, and had no desire to do so. Your image remained etched in their mind, so vivid and persistent that they often find themselves revisiting it, even when you are absent. Their thoughts invariably gravitate towards you, and the feelings this evokes are so intense that they emerge spontaneously, even in your physical absence. Finding the right words to describe these emotions has been a challenge for them, as none seem powerful enough to capture the essence of what they feel. They long to express the breadth of their emotions, wishing they could reveal how much you mean to them and the profound impact your beauty and presence have on their life. However, they are aware that words may not be enough to do justice to the depth and intensity of their feelings. Therefore, they ask you not to interpret their silence or lack of communication as a lack of intense or complex feelings. Their silence, in reality, serves as a testament to the magnitude of their emotions, which are so vast and deep that they sometimes become inexpressible. Recognizing this can be challenging, and that is why your guardian angels are sending this message, so you understand that the difficulty in communicating does not diminish the reality of their feelings. Often, it can be extremely difficult for someone to verbalize emotions they have never felt before, making it even more complicated to convey these sensations to another person, especially when these feelings are directed at the one who impacts them the most. This does not imply that they do not feel deeply for you. On the contrary, it indicates an emotion so significant that it transcends the usual capacity for expression. Understand that it is crucial not to let their emotional journey negatively influence your perception of the relationship. Comprehend the overwhelming impact you have on people. Your presence, filled with charisma and magnetism, has the rare ability to leave someone completely speechless, a power that few possess and many desire. It is essential that you recognize how unique this ability makes you. The way you affect them is uniquely yours. It is not something that can be replicated or experienced with someone else. This makes you an incomparable figure in their life, a presence so striking that it sets you apart from everyone else. You are not just another person in their world, you are their world. The emotions you evoke in them are deep and personal, shaped by the essence of who you are. You are in a league of your own, playing a game that only you can play, and no one else even comes close to the level of influence you hold. Even if they consider other possibilities, their mind and heart inevitably guide them back to you because no one else can make them feel what you make them feel. This power is a testament to the exclusive connection you share, a bond that transcends the ordinary and elevates to the extraordinary. They are aware of how desirable you are to many, a reality that only intensifies their fear of losing the opportunity to be by your side. Others undoubtedly perceive your brilliance and could easily be drawn to your light. They recognize that their hesitation in expressing their feelings could create space for someone else to capture your attention. This awareness drives them to want to reveal their deepest feelings, not only to preserve the special bond you share, but also to strengthen your connection. They understand the importance of not keeping their emotions hidden, as every moment that passes is a chance that slips away. The last time they saw you intensified this urgency, making their desire for you grow even more, making you more present in their mind and more passionate in their heart. They are now determined to find the right words, the ones that can adequately express the magnitude of their adoration and the depth of their attraction. They know these words need to be said, and they need to say them soon, before it is too late. It is of utmost importance to them that you deeply understand their feelings. With this in mind, they are dedicating themselves to a period of introspection and reflection to find the exact words that can express the magnitude of their emotions. These words, they believe, may not yet exist in common vocabulary, but they are committed to making the effort to shape their language in a way that can at least come close to conveying the intensity of what they feel for you. They recognize that you are a person who deserves to know the profound impact you have on them, the way you awaken feelings of love and admiration they have rarely experienced before. Therefore, they ask you to be patient. You are someone of inestimable value, worthy of genuine and deep love, and deserve to be with someone who not only understands this but desires and is willing to express these feelings openly. If you share these feelings, they hope you can create a safe space where they can feel free to express their emotions without fear of being misunderstood or rejected. They want their words, when finally found and spoken, to be received with the same intensity of love with which they are offered. Allow the love he feels for you to serve as a constant reminder of your own worth and the quality of treatment you should expect in any relationship. Do not settle for anything less than the respect and adoration you deserve. Embracing the love offered to you, understanding that you are worthy of much more than the minimum, is essential for maintaining your self-esteem and emotional well-being. You are truly a special person, capable of inspiring unique feelings in those around you. This is intrinsic to who you are and will not change, regardless of where you are or what you decide to do in your life. Your essence has the power to make others feel uplifted and loved, a rare and precious quality. Therefore, as he tries to find the right words, those that can begin to describe the indescribable, remember the power and influence you naturally exert. Continue living knowing that you are loved, that your actions and your being have a significant impact on others, and that you should always be treated with the utmost care and respect. This is the foundation upon which genuine and lasting feelings are built, and it is what he aspires to provide in every interaction with you. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, as she hears these sincere and truthful words, may her spirit be deeply touched and her heart enveloped in a mantle of comfort and serenity. Allow her to feel the immense depth of the emotions these words carry, and to understand the immeasurable importance of her presence in the lives of those around her. Infuse her heart with the strength needed to fully embrace the love that surrounds her, the love that flows from all directions and manifests in various forms. Grant her the wisdom to see herself as she truly is, a worthy, valuable, and whole being. May this perception bring a new light to her existence, illuminating the paths she walks and the choices she makes. May she move forward with her head held high and her heart firm, strengthened by the confidence and self-assurance that comes from the recognition that she is deeply loved and deserving of all the love and kindness the universe has to offer. May she never doubt the love she receives, nor underestimate the capacity to love that resides in her heart. May each step she takes be guided by the certainty that she is not alone and that she is a source of inspiration for many. Amen. Take a moment to allow these words to resonate in your spirit. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type E555 to claim this message and the blessings it holds for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that fuels the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and receiving the blessings of the universe in return. And be attentive to the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.